Hello student, in this question we need to find the velocity of a ball which is being projected vertically upwards such that it covers a distance in fifth second which is the twice of the distance covered in sixth second. Okay, so here in this question we have a ball which is being projected vertically or thrown vertically upward such that the distance covered by this ball in fifth second is twice the distance covered by this ball in sixth second. So in this question we will take the sign convention. Any quantity which is in upward direction will be taken as positive. Any vector quantity which is in the negative or downward direction will be considered as negative. Okay, and we have the formula for nth distance covered in nth second. Sn equal to u plus 2n minus 1 a, where u is initial velocity and a is acceleration. We all know the acceleration due to gravity is in downward direction. So let us find out the distance covered in fifth second. So s fifth will be, according to this, s plus u 2 into 5 minus 1, a would be minus g. Minus is because of downward direction, so this will come out as u minus 9g. Okay, so s5 equal to u minus 9g. This would be my first equation. Similarly, s6 would be u plus 2 into 6 minus 1 into minus g, which will be coming as u minus 11g. So second equation will be s6 u minus 11g. Okay, now according to the question it is being given that s5 is twice of s6. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, plugging this value, we'll get u minus 9g equal to 2 into u minus 11g. Okay, by solving this we get u minus 9g, 2u minus 22g, u would be 13g. Okay, now so if we take the value as g as 9.81, then the value of velocity would be initial velocity will be 13 into 9.81, which will come out to be 127.53 meter per second. I hope you got the solution and everything is cleared. Thank you.